How to fix Google Maps GPS signal lost alerts on Android. If you're facing this issue, the first thing you want to do is check if battery power saving is on. If it is on, you simply want to turn it off. Now open Google Maps and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, you want to tap and hold on the Maps option. Then tap on this I button to open up the settings. Now from here, scroll down and tap on mobile data. Make sure both of these options are toggled on. Once you do that, Google Maps can use mobile data even when you lock your phone. Now return back to the previous page. Now tap on the battery option. Here you want to select on the optimized or unrestricted option. Then head back. Now tap on the storage option. You simply want to clear your cache from here, so tap on the clear cache option. Now, once all of this is done, it should fix your issue. However, if it is not fixed, then you want to open up Play Store. Then search for Google Maps from here. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. You can also tap on the settings option, then scroll down. Now tap on location. Now tap on location services. Make sure that both of these options, Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning, are toggled on. Then you want to tap on the location accuracy option. Here, you want to toggle on the option of improve location accuracy. Once that is done, head back. Now tap on the general management option. From here, tap on date and time. Now make sure that you've toggled on automatic date and time and automatic time zone option. With this, the issue of GPS signal lost will be fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.